Hi, I'm Redneck Joe. And today's a big motherfucking day for me, yo. So, backstory is I bought a Subaru fully built for $7,000. Car had about 70 grand into it. About 3 months into me owning it and driving it, developed rod knock. It's a 2004 STI. Very nice car, actually. Very clean underneath and whatnot. So, I didn't mind spending 7 grand on it because it was totally fucking worth it. But, uh, here's what happened if you haven't seen my other diagnosing rod knock on a Subaru. Start out with what the car used to be, and not much done to the whole body of the car, transmission so much. It was just on 10 springs, stock rims. As far as the motor, let's see. It had a Blausch 2.5 turbo, Dishworks side feed 1000cc injectors, fully built bottom end, Manley H-beams, Wiseco pistons, 99.75 bore. What else? Some type of cams, I forget the name of them right now. Brian Crowder springs, valves, and retainers, and as well as Perrin full front mount, Perrin equal length header, up to, let's see, NVIDIA downpipe all the way back. It was around 23 pounds of boost. I received dyno sheets. It was making about 373 to the wheel. Not a bad build. Didn't beat on it too hard. I did beat on it though. I was respectful about it. And it developed rod knock, which sounded a lot like this. So after a lot of reading, I realized what I had to do and realized how expensive it was going to be. So I just sold my boat, and now is the time when we start rebuilding. So this is going to be a build, I don't know, build session part one. So I just ordered a bunch of parts. I just ordered like 5 grand worth of stuff, which is kind of a lot of money because all I drive is junkers, you know. So here's the old short block. I probably won't use much off of it, but it's a really good table. I'll probably use the motor mounts. Shit. So let's go see what I ordered. This whole video is mainly going to be about rebuilding my motor after rod knock because I know it's happened to a lot of people, and these are the things you have to buy, unfortunately. So for the price of $3,500, I got the IAG Stage 2 Tough Block, short block for STI, and this motor, I got the Cosworth pistons in it as well. Should hold up to 675 brake horsepower, the bottom end at least. For how long, who knows, but at least a year because they have a 1-year warranty. Alright, so I ordered that. It's going to take 4 to 5 weeks to come in, and here's the next thing I ordered. A IAG oil air oil separator, because they don't warranty their motor unless you're running a air oil separator. So I decided to go with theirs. They say it's the best, but of course they do, you know. So some other things you'll need to order are timing belt set, because while you're in there you might as well do that. The factory oil cooler, because I guess since there's metal in the oil you need to replace that. Oil pump, oil pan, oil pickup, same reason, metal in the oil, don't want it contaminating the new motor. New head studs, new head gasket, air oil separator, already showed that, and full engine gaskets. I actually ended up ordering this. For $370 you get the full gasket set for the motor, and they're actually Subaru brand gaskets, so that's kind of nice. I've done some reading, and they say use stock head gaskets or Cosworth, so probably going to go with stock. I'm going to do a moderate build. I just want to make 400 wheel horsepower. The thing I'm going to do while I build this motor is go from the series fuel rails to the parallel fuel rails, because that leads to detonation in cylinder 4 due to low fuel pressure on that injector. So I'll be showing that as well. But no, there are power division cams that I have. They're 268 lift, and I believe there's a dyno sheet in here. This is all the paperwork from my old motor. So I almost went with a stock motor, just drop it in and run it, but I was able to save the heads, and that's the only reason why I ended up building the motor again. So I had Larry's out of Groton do my heads, and this is what the receipt looked like. It was about $1,200. Here it is. So they did valve guides, valve seals, 3-angle valve job, set the valve lash with the buckets, and that came out to $1,284, I want to say. Yep. So that is another thing you'll need to do, unfortunately. And I got the head sitting in my living room, all clean in bags, ready to go. Right now I'm just waiting on parts. I got to get that short block in, and we will be in business. The next video I end up posting about the whole Subaru rebuild is probably going to be just me getting all the parts in, unboxing it, showing you what I got. And the video after that is most likely going to be assembling the motor, which is going to be a really good time. Probably going to use Mechanical Jesus' skills to build the long block at least, and then I'll be dumping it back in the car. And then my journey to tuning it and hopefully turning it back into a daily driver. Nice 400 wheel horsepower daily driver. So please subscribe or like, whatever you want to do. There's definitely going to be more videos very soon. It's probably going to take me about a month to get everything together to do this. So in the meantime, I do some other crazy shit, and I'm going to be putting a turbo motor in my Ranger, because that's a nice cheap project and that'll keep me busy in the meantime. So thanks for watching, Redneck Joe. Have a great day.